If you're wondering how to add and remove employees in Navan, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how you can easily manage your team using Navan's platform, whether you're onboarding new employees or removing users who no longer need access. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you how to access an exclusive, extended free trial for Navan that'll give you a head start in mastering the software. Navan is designed to make team management as simple as possible, but knowing how to add and remove employees is essential for keeping everything organized. Let's dive right in. To add employees in Navan, you'll need admin access. Once you're logged into your admin dashboard, look for the Team or User section. You'll typically find this under the Settings or Admin panel. Click on Add Employee and you'll be prompted to enter the new employee's details: name, email address, and role within the company. Navan allows you to customize roles, so if you're adding a manager, an accountant, or just a general team member, you can set permissions based on their specific responsibilities. This helps streamline access to the tools and information each employee needs, without giving them more than what's necessary. After filling in the required information, hit Save and your employee will get an invitation to join the platform. Now let's talk about removing employees. This process is just as easy. If an employee is leaving or their role has changed, simply head back to the Team section in your admin dashboard. Locate the employee you want to remove and click on their profile. You'll see an option to remove employee or deactivate user. Confirm the action and the employee will no longer have access to the software. It's always a good idea to double check if there are any critical permissions tied to the employee before removing them, especially if their access was tied to specific reports, billing, or sensitive information. Once they're removed, you'll want to ensure no lingering data is left on their profile. If you want to make changes to someone's role instead of removing them entirely, Navan lets you adjust their permissions from the same section where you add or remove employees. Just click on the employee's name, then select the role you want to assign them. This flexibility allows you to manage transitions smoothly without having to add or remove employees every time there's a change in responsibilities. If you're new to Navan, you'll quickly notice how user-friendly the platform is. But don't worry, even if you're just getting started, all of these features are easy to navigate. With the intuitive interface and helpful prompts, you'll be managing your team like a pro in no time. Now, as promised, if you're looking to try Navan, we've got an exclusive offer for you. You can get started with a completely free trial from the link in the description below. Plus, with our special bonus, you'll get an extended trial period to explore all of Navan's features and decide if it's the right fit for your team. So, to recap, adding and removing employees in Navan is straightforward. Just log in, navigate to the Team section, and follow the simple steps for adding or removing team members. Whether you're scaling your team or managing user roles, Navan's intuitive design ensures you have control over everything. If you're ready to dive in, don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive and extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials to get the most out of Navan.